Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. I want to ask, do you like Spiraeas? In this video, I will show you which Spiraeas grow in my garden. Let's watch it together. Spiraea, commonly known as meadowsweet or hairpin, is a genus of shrubs in the Rosaceae family with 80 to 100 species. These plants are native to the temperate subalpine zone of the Northern Hemisphere, with the greatest diversity in East Asia. Spiraea belongs to the subfamily Rhozoideae. Many species of Spiraea are used as ornamental plants in temperate climates, especially for their showy clusters of dense flowers. Spiraea has two types of flowering. Some species bloom in spring, others in midsummer. Spiraea is a deciduous perennial shrub that sometimes stands about 6.5 feet or 2 meters tall. The shape of the bush can be very different. The color of the leaves of these plants is also the most diverse. If you correctly combine different varieties of Spiraea, you can achieve their continuous flowering from spring to autumn. Gardeners love Spiraea for its lush and long flowering. The color of the flowers is also varied from white to crimson. There are such types of plants, the inflorescences of which cover the entire stem. In other species of Spiraea, inflorescences are located only on the upper part of the shoots. Still, some are at the ends of the shoots. Spiraeas are divided into two groups, spring flowering Spiraea and summer blooming. Spring flowering Spiraeas bloom, as a rule, on the shoots of the previous year. The flowers are white in color. Summer flowering Spiraeas have red, pink, and crimson flowers, and they bloom on the shoots of this year. It is also necessary to distinguish between the agricultural technology of caring for these shrubs. Spring blooming Spiraeas are pruned immediately after flowering, and summer blooming Spiraeas should be pruned only in spring. All Spiraeas are undemanding to the soil, frost-resistant, and photophilous. Many species are gash-resistant and perfectly tolerate urban conditions. Spiraeas are easily propagated by cuttings, layering, and dividing the bush, seeds, and shoots. Bushes grow very quickly and begin to bloom for 3 years. This fall, I planted several types of Spiraea. Let's see what Spiraeas are now growing in my garden. One, Golden Princess Spiraea. The width of an adult plant is 50 inches or 120 centimeters. The height of an adult plant is 20 inches or 50 centimeters. Spiraea Golden Princess is a perennial ornamental dwarf flowering shrub with a rounded shape and bright yellow leaves. This variety of Spiraea blooms in June-July with bright pink flowers. This is a slow-growing plant. Two, Japanese Spiraea Gold Flame. The width of an adult plant is up to 40 inches or 100 centimeters. The height of an adult plant is 25 to 35 inches or 60 to 80 centimeters. Flowering period June-August. Inflorescence size 4 inches. Japanese Spiraea Gold Flame is a compact, rounded, densely crowned deciduous shrub. These spireas are orange-red in spring, greenish-yellow in summer, and copper-orange in autumn, such a bright palette of colors in Japanese meadowsweet gold flame. During flowering from mid-June to mid-August, the leaves become smaller and acquire a more neutral green tint. (3) Japanese Spiraea sparkling champagne. The width of an adult plant is up to 40 inches or 100 centimeters. The height of an adult plant is up to 30 inches or up to 80 centimeters. The plant is best planted in the sun. So in the spring, you can admire the leaves of a bright pink color, which in the summer will be soft green. This is a spirea that blooms in summer. The flowering is very plentiful. The flowers are large light pink, formed at the ends of the shoots. The stems are red. The plant is attractive to bees and insects. Landing and care. The shrub has average soil requirements, resistant to frost and drought. If the soil is not always moist, it is best to plant the shrubs in partial shade, as the yellow leaves are sensitive to strong sunlight and can be sun-damaged in dry conditions. Planting the density of this spirea in a row to create a solid green hedge, every 20 inches or 0.5 to 0.7 m. If you like spireas, choose a sunny spot to plant. You need acidic soil. The higher the acidity of the soil, the brighter the color of the leaves. Several times per season, you need to carry out a stimulating haircut to increase the density of the shoots of the bush. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful and interesting for you. If you liked the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up to support my channel. See you later.